In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear wheel arch molding on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the side of the bed. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolts for the splash guard. There should also be 3 plastic clips that aren't installed on ours. Should be 1, 2, and 3. You can use a trim tool and pop the clips open and out. Continue around the wheel arch molding, removing all of the 10mm bolts. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts on the bottom of the wheel arch molding. There's one in the back and one in the front. Pull on the bottom of the wheel arch molding. As you pull, you're going to see where it's slightly connected. We're going to go to that spot and pop the clip. Continue this around the whole wheel arch. Remove the wheel arch molding. We're going to use a detailing spray and spray around the wheel well and clean off all of the old dirt. All of our clips broke except for this one. There should be these 2 little tabs on every clip. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to grab the clips, we're going to twist them and remove them. Do this for all of the broken ones. That clip's good. Install the new clips. Install the wheel arch molding. I'm going to put one finger where the clip is going to mount. I'm going to line this up with the clip. Get it snapped into place. Go around installing all of the clips. Install the screw at the bottom of the wheel well. Work your way up and around the wheel well, moving to the front of the arch. Install the splash guard. Get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. We're going to install the 3 plastic clips. Install the 3 clips and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.